Ride the charts, the profits grow. Trade with a bot, let the market flow. Ditch the stress, skip the strife. Let the trading bot simplify your life. When the market's wild and moving fast, the bot's cool logic will always last. Pips and profits, steady and true. Your trading bot knows just what to do. While you sleep, it earns the score. Trading the markets like never before. Tick-tock, the market's clock. Your bot trades smarter, around the clock. Buy the dip, sell the high. Your trading bot is the reason why. Set it and forget it, watch it climb. Trading bots make profit over time. Code that clicks, trends that stick. Your trading bot is lightning quick. No fear, no greed, just pure finesse. Trading bots handle the market stress. Charts and graphs can make you groan, but your trading bot has got the zone. Risk and reward, the balance it keeps. While you rest easy, the bot never sleeps. In the bull and bear, it's always aware. Your bot's precision is beyond compare. Hustle less, invest with style. Your trading bot's got the market dial.